Hello, families and students of Irma Marsh. I'm making this video just to let you know, to show you, actually physically show you how to get to your Canvas course before the first day of school on August the 12th. If you'll just kind of follow me along on this, I will show you how to do it. First of all, open up an internet browser, preferably Google. It just seems to work better. And then you can go to Castleberry ISD. I have mine open already, so I'm just going to stay there. On the Castleberry ISD homepage, you can click on Students and scroll down to Canvas. If you're like me, I like to save my school, and being new to Irma Marsh this year, I saved it. I saved Irma Marsh, so I just opened that one typically, but I wanted to show you guys. You could get through it. Anywhere that you find a Students tab, you can find Canvas. So just have your student scroll down, click on Canvas. It's going to come up with something that looks like this. Their computer, probably the first time they log in, will not have this programmed in there. Mine, I've been on it several times the last week. So I know that I can just click log in. Theirs is going to be their last name, first initial, and their student ID number or lunch number. If they were here last year, they should know that. It should be on your documentation from the school. If not, it's usually a 252627 0 number, something like that. So I'm going to hit login to show you. The first thing that comes up is called the dashboard. It's going to have all their information on it, all their classes. Mine looks a lot different because these are my classes. So one of them is my actual language arts class that I teach. I'm going to open my 6th grade language arts class. And I'm going to change it to student view and show you what your student will look like, or if you're a student, to show you what yours looks like. If you were here last year and did not use it, you may have forgotten it. You may be like, oh my goodness, I don't know what that is. So that's what we're doing this for. That's what we're doing this for, okay? So here is what you will see. You will see, in this case, if you were in my language arts class, this is what you will see. On the left-hand side over here, you've got home, syllabus, grades, Google, assignments, etc. You can have more or less than this depending on what your teacher's opened up. This is your account information. This is your dashboard that will show you all of your classes. This is your calendar. Most teachers will be embedding assignments on there, so you'll be able to see them. This is your inbox. It will light up just like an email, and it's used just like email. You can contact your teachers. Okay, your teacher will go over that with you more in depth. This is more to show you how to get to Canvas and how to get around Canvas. Okay, you're going to find your teacher's name, what they teach, their email address, and their room number. Then right below it, there's a video, and it's going to kind of help. That's going to be what you're going to look at to navigate your personal Canvas course for each of your teachers. It's got your teacher's conference period and when it is. And then this is probably the most important thing you need right now. This is how you actually meet with your teachers on your assigned day and time. Remember, we are split into A and B classes this year. So you have an A day and you have a B day. A day will be periods 1 through 4. B day will be periods 5 through 8. You will go to your first period class at 8:30 and it'll end at 9:45. To get to that class, you have to click on this link. If you click on the link, it's going to take you to a Google Meets. Okay. And right here, this is not working for some reason, and I will fix that, but that's where it will go. Okay. That's going to open your Google Meets. And then if you scroll down here, you've got your daily agenda. So each 6 weeks has a button. Make sure you pay attention to the 6 weeks that you're in. We are in the first 6 weeks, so I'm going to click on that. Okay. Whatever week we are in will be highlighted in green by your teacher. The week that we're out of will look like the rest of these, which are black. You click on it, and it's going to take you to your weekly agenda. This agenda is going to tell you what you're going to be doing in classes. Okay. And you have Wednesday and Thursday, so the 12th and 13th. And then up here, this blue link, that's Friday. It will tell you what you're doing in that class on Friday. If you toggle back and forth with your arrow keys, it will take you back and forth. Okay, and up here at the top, you've got course home, you've got the 6 weeks tabs, and you've got a link to the Castleberry ISD. Okay, so right now I want to go back to my course home. I'm going back to my front page, and my internet's being slow. I apologize. So here is here's your front page. And again, you're right back where you started from. All of that stuff is there. Again, for some reason, my link didn't work. It worked earlier. So just ignore that part. But when you click on that link, it should take you to your teacher's Google Meets, and you will log in to that Google Meets, and you will meet with, that's how you will meet with your teacher and get attendance for the day. Okay. And you also have a bell ringer that is super important. Your teachers will go over that individually, but every day you will have a bell ringer. You must do that every day. And it'll usually be linked to something. It could be a fun activity. It could just be a question. It just make sure you get that done. Okay. If you need anything on Castleberry ISD's homepage, it's right here. Again, I'm going to go back to my course home, and that should conclude our links to everything that you need to do for your Canvas course is in here. This will tell you over here what's coming up that's to do. So for my class, they have a bell ringer due August 12th and another activity due the 19th that I've linked so far. Your assignments are over here on the side. Most of the time they'll be linked in that agenda, but if you're wanting to look at it, you can now click on this assignment and it will tell you what to do. Whatever your teacher has put in there, you have to submit. You will click that. And in this case, my kids are going to submit a Google Doc. They have to upload that, and your teacher will go through all of that with you. Okay. So make sure if you have any questions, let your teachers know. If you're having a hard time getting on, let your teachers know. Emailing your teachers a great thing. You can do that, and I'll take you back to the Castleberry page, the Irma Marsh page, so you can find out. If you're having a hard time and you're a 6th grader, go to the teachers link, and you're going to find all of your 6th grade teachers there. If you are not a 6th grader and you're new to Irma Marsh, say you're a 7th or 8th grader, go to 7th or 8th grade. Find your teacher and click on what they want. All of us are in the process of updating all of these, but you can just click right here. This is Dr. Kiefer's email. Any of your teachers here, you can click on it and it will take you to an email. There's a second page, so don't forget that. And make sure if you have any questions, you reach out to one of us, even if it's not about, if you were in my class and it's not about language arts, reach out to a teacher, say, I'm having a hard time logging in Canvas. Any one of us will be glad to help you. 6th graders, new from elementary school, we look forward to welcoming you into the Irma Marsh family. 7th and 8th graders, if you're brand new to Irma Marsh, welcome, welcome, welcome. We are so excited to have you. If you are watching this and you're returning, just as a refresher, we can't wait to see you back at Irma Marsh, and we look forward to a fantastic 2021 school year, and we are ready to welcome you on Wednesday. See you guys soon. Hopefully this helped. Rewind it and watch it as much as you need to. Have a great Lion Day.